pleasant day to everyone. My name is Juan Rodrigo C. Bagchola, a fourth-year student currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. I am here to share with you all my experiences being an intern in AI Research Center for Community Development located in San Miguel, Navoa, Camarines Sur. The main task given to us by our supervisor was to create a research all about unveiling sentiment in Rinconada Bicol language, Navoa, which delved into the realm of sentiment analysis algorithms for a nascent language. Through comprehensive analysis, we successfully categorized datasets in Rinconada Bicol language spoken in Navoa, sorting them based on their polarity, which can be neutral, positive, or negative. Additionally, we meticulously classified the datasets according to their respective parts of speech. This study provides valuable insights into sentiment analysis methodologies tailored to emerging linguistic contexts, thus contributing to the broader understanding of sentiment analysis in underrepresented languages. During my internship at the AI Research Center for Community Development, I had the pleasure of working closely with my fellow interns and supervisors. The experience was not only enriching but also enjoyable, as we fostered a supportive and collaborative environment. I developed strong communication skills and enhanced my research abilities, which I will carry for the rest of my life. The light-hearted environment and atmosphere made every moment also memorable, and I am grateful for the opportunity to have been part of such nurturing environment. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the AI Research Center for Community Development to future interns seeking to expand their knowledge in research and beyond. The company's dedication to nurturing talent and fostering a collaborative environment has provided me with invaluable experiences and growth opportunities. I am confident that future interns will find the same enriching experience, where they can not only enhance their research skills, but also forge meaningful connections and memories. This internship has been a pivotal chapter in my journey, and I am grateful for the chance to have been part of such a remarkable organization. Thank you and goodbye.